Want to use Claude AI inside VS Code for free and write code 10x faster? Let me show you step by step. First, install the extension from the API key in the settings. Now you're ready to code. Most beginners waste hours switching between ChatGPT tabs and their code editor. It breaks focus and slows everything down. This chaotic switching creates a messy workflow, leading to frustration and streamline this. Instead, you can connect Claude directly inside VS Code and generate, fix, and explain code instantly. Let me show you how this clean, modern integration works. It's a game changer for your workflow. Step 1. Install VS Code if you don't have it. Head over to the official website and download the version for your operating system. Run the installer, and once it's done, open the application. Step 2. Install an AI extension like Codium or Continue. In VS Code, go to the Extensions tab and search for Idiom, Homer, or Continue. Click Install. This bridges your editor and AI tools for smarter coding. Step 3. Connect it with Claude using API or supported integration. Head to your developer settings and paste your API key. Then, just hit Connect. You should see a success message. Now you can ask Claude to write or fix code directly inside your editor. Just type your prompt, and the AI generates clean, ready-to-use code instantly. Need a function? Just ask. It writes it for you. Watch. I'll type create login function. And just like that, the AI generates the code. Ready to use. That's the power of AI. Got an error? Claude explains and fixes it instantly. Let's see how. Here's a red syntax error. Claude highlights the issue and suggests a fix. Apply it, and the code is updated. You can even ask it to optimize or refactor your code. Here's a quick example. See how the messy code on the left transforms into clean, optimized version on the right? This is a huge time saver for any developer. This saves hours every day and helps you learn faster while building real projects. Let me show you a quick before and after. See the difference? From slow to super fast. If you want more simple AI tutorials like this, subscribe and start building smarter today.